Winnie,
Yeah.
is that you?
Yeah.
Bitch,
What?
I'm recording. Hey guys, welcome to another video with Machuda Belinda. As you guys can see in the title, I will be doing a quick unboxing. So this will be my first promotion. I'm really excited. So give it up to me. Thank you, camera woman. So the brand is Black Love Boutique. They have reached out to me to basically sponsor them and talk about the brand, which I'm really excited. You know, you have to support everything Black business, and I'm really just excited about it. So here it is. They actually told me to pick one item from their site, and I picked which one. To be honest, yes, they did. So I picked this shirt over here. I haven't really seen it like physically because I've been so busy that I haven't had the time to unbox it. So I am going to do that right now. I like the packaging, and I like this little green thing right here. Just to see it. Oh yeah. Ooh, even got like my mailing address in it. Y'all don't need to know. Okay, so I love the fabric. Really like it's soft. It looks like it's definitely gonna fit me. What size is this? Size small. P for petite. What's CH stand for? I never know. But it says queen, because I'm a queen, you know, I like that. Especially our Black women, we are definitely queen. So I will be trying this shirt on. And also I will be wearing this shirt in New York City just to, you know, do more sponsoring with it. So let's just put the fit together. Let's see. Okay, so here is the fit put together. These are my JLo shoes. I got these jeans from here. Is the shirt from Black Love Boutique. As you guys can see, I actually really like it. It goes right with every fit. You know, black always goes with anything, you know, black magic. So yeah, I really like it. I'm gonna take the coat off so you guys can see it more. You can just style it like this. Like, it feels very comfortable. Like, there's really like nothing that I can say. And this is a size small, so it looks super, super cute. Let me see. Oh wow, like I really like it tucked in. Okay, so let me see how it looks untucked in. Like, you know, you can wear this untucked in with some sneakers, like, you know, like a Aaliyah type of style. But like, respectfully though, I really love this. It's really cute. So please go ahead and follow Black Love Boutique on Instagram and shop. Like, the things are beautiful. They even have bags, mugs, other t-shirts for men's as well. So please take your time and check them out.